Have you ever wondered, what if the way you see life is exactly what shapes it? Many people think manifestation is complicated, that it needs endless affirmations, rituals, or lucky breaks. But the truth is far simpler and more powerful. There's a principle often called the law of assumption that can transform the way you experience reality. This isn't just about passive wish dreaming. It's about stepping into the version of you that already has what you desire. And today, we're going to explore this idea, how it works, and how you can start applying it in your life. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, and share your thoughts in the comments, because I'd love to know what you're manifesting in your own life. Who was Neville Goddard? To understand the law of assumption, we need to talk about the man who popularized it. Born in Barbados in 1905, Neville wasn't just a mystic.
I want love. Define it. What kind of financial freedom? What kind of relationship? Clarity gives power to your assumption. Create powerful affirmations, always in the present tense. Instead of "I will be happy," say "I am joyful and fulfilled now." Words are seeds. Choose them carefully. Visualize in first person. Close your eyes and imagine a scene that would naturally happen if your desire was already fulfilled. See it through your own eyes, as if you're really there. Feel it deeply. This is Neville's secret. Feeling is the key. Don't just picture it. Feel the relief, the excitement, the gratitude. Emotion is the magnet. Live from the end. Start making choices as if it's already yours. Walk, talk, and think like the version of you who already has that success, that love, that freedom. Revise and reframe. If past memories or limiting beliefs drag you down, reimagine them differently. Your past doesn't control you unless you keep replaying it. Stay consistent and patient. Reality doesn't always shift overnight, but persistence, not desperation, is what turns assumption